I'm reviewing the subtitles of the main titles that belong to New York City Building Code 2014 using the UpCode website. I'm going to drill into the subsections so I get kind of familiar with the different subsections. Chapter 1, Administration, has a rather large section. 101, General. 102, Applicability. 103, Department of Buildings. 104, Duties and Powers of Commissioner of Buildings. 105, Permits. 106, Reserved. 107, Construction Documents. 108, Temporary Structures and Uses. 109, Fees. 110, Inspections. 111, Certificate of Occupancy. 112, Service Utilities. 113, Reserved. 114, Violations. 115, Stop Work Order. 116, Unsafe Structures and Equipment. Moving on to, I don't think there's too many in the definition chapter. No, just 201 General and 202 Definitions. Moving on to Chapter 3, Occupancy of Use. Use and Occupancy Classification. 301 General, 302 Classification, 303 Assembly Group A, 304 Business Group B, 305 Educational Group E, 306 Factory Group F, 307 High Hazard Group H, 308 Institutional Group I, 309 Mercantile Group M, 310 Residential Group R, 311 Storage Group S, and 312 Utility and Miscellaneous Group U. Oops, wrong one. Let's see what Chapter 4, Special Detailed Requirements based on Use and Occupancy. 401 Scope. 402 Covered Mall and Open Mall Buildings. 403 High-Rise Buildings. 404 Atriums. 405 Underground Buildings and Spaces. 406 Motor Vehicle Related Occupancies. 407 Group I-2. 408 Group I-3. 409 Motion Picture Projection Rooms. 410 Stages and Platforms. 411 Special Amusement Buildings. 412 Aircraft Related Occupancies. 413 Combustible Storage. 414 Hazardous Materials. 415 Groups H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5. 416 Application of Flammable Finishes. 417 Drying Rooms. 418 Organic Coatings. 419 Reserved. 420 Groups I1, R1, R2, R3. 421 Reserved. 422 Ambulatory Healthcare Facilities. 423 Storm Shelters. 424 Non-Production Chemical Laboratories. 425 Use and Occupancy involving radioactive materials and radiation producing equipment. I shall continue with Chapter 5 in the next video.